Welcome to Daily English Vocabulary with Shelley. Today, you're going to learn 50 common action verbs with example sentences. Let's begin. Run. She runs in the park every morning. Jump. He jumped with joy after finishing his work on time. Eat. I eat breakfast at 8 a.m. every day. Drink. He drinks a glass of water before bed. Sleep. Babies sleep for many hours each day. Read. She reads a new book every week. Write. He writes stories in his notebook. Talk. They talk on the phone for hours. Listen. Please listen carefully to the instructions. Cook. The chef cooks delicious food. Drive. He drives to work every morning. Swim. She can swim across the lake. Climb. The boy climbed the tall tree. Dance. They danced all night at the party. Sing. I love to sing my favorite songs. Throw. He threw the ball over the fence. Measure. The doctor measured his height during the checkup. Draw. The child draws animals on paper. Paint. We painted the walls yellow. Laugh. The baby laughed at the funny face. Cry. He cried during the sad movie. Smile. He smiled when he saw his friend. Open. She opened the door slowly. Close. Please close the door gently. Wash. He washes his hands before eating. Clean. We clean the house every day. Build. They built a sandcastle at the beach. Fix. He fixed the broken pipe. Pull. I pulled the drawer to get a spoon. Push. He pushed the heavy box. Catch. He is catching a fish from the river. Kick. He kicked the ball into the goal. Ride. She rides her bike to school. Fly. The bird flew across the sky. Travel. We love to travel to new places. Stand. Please stand in line. Sit. She sat on the bench near the lake. Pay. I paid for the groceries. Lift. He lifted the heavy bag with ease. Think. I think about my goals every day. Learn. She learns new words quickly. Teach. She teaches math at school. Bake. She baked a chocolate cake for the party. Clap. The audience clapped loudly at the end. Wave. They waved goodbye from the house. Wait. Please wait here for your turn. Touch. Don't touch the fan. Peel. She peeled the apples for the smoothie. Blend. She blended fruits to make a smoothie. Celebrate. We celebrated her birthday with cake. Great job! You've just learned 50 useful action verbs with example sentences. Practice them in your daily life to remember them better. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Daily English Vocabulary, and click the bell icon so you never miss a new video.